Dude buddy, what's up? How you guys doing? My name is Ronnie. Welcome to my nook. Join me today as we're going to unbox an exclusive figure offered by the Facebook group Funko Fanatics Philippines for the collaboration between Funko and Jollibee. Let's do this, shall we? Every year, Funko Fanatics Philippines releases some exclusive figure from their Funko line that are made available to their Facebook group members. Last year, the Funko exclusive item was the Funko Pop Hetty Spaghetti glittered variant. The original figure of Hetty Spaghetti was first released as part of a 2-pack figure by Jollibee back in 2019. For this year, the Funko Fanatics Philippines exclusive is another collaboration between Funko and Jollibee. Most, including myself, were excited as we were anticipating another character from the Jollytown family after Jollibee and Hetty Spaghetti. Unfortunately, this time it's not a Funko Pop, but a Funko Soda, a new line of vinyl toys from Funko. Similar to the Funko Pop, the Funko Soda is a 4-inch vinyl figure that comes with a collectible disc in a soda can packaging. Funko Soda are sealed and considered as blind box item, which gives you a chance for 1 out of 6 possibility in getting a chased variant of the same figure. So if you're a completist, then you'd be forced to buy some more just to get that ever elusive chased variants. Unless of course you're lucky enough to get it on the first try. Just another marketing gimmick if you ask me. Going back to this year's Funko exclusive, which was supposed to be an exclusive to the Facebook Funko group but was made available to the general public for a couple of days through Jollibee branches nationwide. I guess that you could say with a huge quantity run of 10,000, the group was not able to sell out among its members, so it became a Philippine exclusive instead. And here it is. So let's open it up, shall we? So we have here is the sorter box or the brown shipping box that it comes with. It's got Funko Fanatics Philippines limited edition on either side and Find the Chase on the next. It's got the Funko logos on the top and of course on the bottom. Pretty cool packaging. So here we have a sealed can. So here it is, like I said earlier. The packaging is a soda can, and also it came with a sticker for exclusive to Funko Fanatics Philippines release. So the can is still vacuum sealed, so we're just going to tear the plastic on top so that we'll have access to the top lid, which would allow us to open it. Right, now that we have peeled off the plastic on top, so we'll just need to wiggle the top lid to open the can. There you go. Once you pop off the lid, here we have the actual figure still wrapped in another sealed plastic. Really, Funko? More plastic waste? I mean, I don't really see the purpose of another plastic inside a sealed soda can. Do you? Anyhow, removing that would reveal the collectible disc at the bottom, and that would indicate if the figure is actually a regular or a chased variant. So, here we go. So, this one's a regular. As you can see here, it indicates that it's 1 out of 8,400. On the other hand, the chase figure, which is a glow-in-the-dark variant, is limited to 1,600. And if you sum those two up, the Jollibee Pop Soda is limited to 10,000 quantities, released here in the Philippines. Alright, so let's open up the plastic to reveal the figure. Okay, we got another plastic inside. It's bubble wrap. But here we go. Bam! How cute is that? So what do you guys think? To be honest, I'm a bit disappointed that this year's exclusive was not a Funko Pop but a soda. It kind of forced the group into blindly purchasing into the new Funko toy line, probably to get most, if not some, to start collecting them. So Funko Soda is a pass for me. This might be the only Funko Soda I'll own for some time. Unless of course they release another Jollibee related character. I might think about it. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed another unboxing video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel down on the bottom, and smash that notification bell. I'll see you next time.